next-level exterior design. The shark nose-inspired front end gives Kona a dynamic road presence, while also contributing to improved aerodynamic performance. We've eliminated the radiator grille and adopted a seamless horizon daytime running light. In the Kona Electric, it's a pixelated design that echoes the future-forward look of our Ioniq models. The Kona blends high-tech and high-adventure. Every Kona model features armor-like wheel arches wrapping around much larger wheels, ranging from 17 inches to 19 inches. The H-Track all-wheel drive models deliver greater ground clearance. Now, let's look inside. A quiet cabin is especially important in an EV, where road and wind noise aren't masked by the sound of an engine. With our EV-first approach, we've delivered a quieter cabin across all Kona models and powertrain. A slim and wide floating dash emphasizes the cabin's uncluttered space. Dual 12.3-inch screens are integrated into a seamless digital surface with a customizable display. We've moved the shift-by-wire gear selector to the steering column, freeing up storage space in the multi-function console. Ambient lighting illuminates Kona's handy storage spaces. We've made the most of this space with a new slim seat design that gives Kona more rear seat legroom than most competitors. Cargo space is also way up, with an additional 6 cubic feet. That's 33% more space than the outgoing model. Kona offers upscale amenities not typical in this segment. Things like Digital Key 2, which lets you replace your key with your smartphone, over-the-air software updates, and more. Kona also jumps to the head of its class with available advanced driver assistance technologies. They include surround view and blind spot monitors, highway driving assist, and many more that reduce driver stress and help keep you safe. The Kona Electric features a powerful yet highly efficient 150 kilowatt electric motor. Its efficiency gains help Kona deliver an estimated range of up to 260 miles based on Hyundai's internal testing. So in addition to our all-electric model, Kona also offers 2 gas-powered choices. Our naturally aspirated 2-liter Atkinson cycle engine delivers improved performance and efficiency. The sporty Kona N-Line features a turbocharged 1.6-liter GDI engine, now mated to an 8-speed automatic. It also sports 19-inch N-Line wheels and other performance-inspired details.